Sean Kirkpatrick. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Vapor Point. I'm responsible for all operations, including engineering design, process development, field execution across the company, across all of our services.
My name is Tim Kelly and I'm the Territory Manager based out of Houston, Texas. I oversee the Middle Gulf Coast, Mid-Continent United States, national projects and international projects.
Vapor Point is a rental and service company in the oil and gas industry, primarily providing vapor control and gas treatment services. We have 6 locations across the U.S. in Texas, Louisiana, California, as well as projects going on in the United States and Canada. Prior to implementing RigER, we encountered a lot of issues with most companies have in different ways as far as looking at equipment inventory, utilization, return on assets.
Some of the most common frustrations I had was the lack of consistency in the quoting and pricing of proposals and documents that went out to customers.
Probably the third piece was getting away from paper tickets and getting to electronic tickets where we could easily have a good central depository of our information that we could go and pull from on a consistent basis. So we soon realized we needed to find a better long-term solution. At first we tried to develop in-house. That development lasted over 4 years, but we really needed to find a product that could offer other attributes that we weren't getting out of our in-house developed piece. So we chose RigER because it met a lot of our needs for equipment tracking, proposal development, and electronic ticket development. One of the main key factors in our decision was the ability to customize RigER. We have a very unique business model, I feel like, and we have different needs as far as where we need to put that emphasis, and RigER allowed us to do a lot of custom development to meet those needs.
From an operations standpoint, the quoting and job tracking features have been the most beneficial for me. It's allowed my team and I to create a database of projects that we can refer back to in the future to check past invoices and past equipment usage. So with RigER, it's been nice to use the cloud and to be able to use the iPad for that my guys can utilize the iPads in the field when entering tickets and tracking equipment.
I'd say the most useful part of RigER implementation has got to be having all the features available in one workspace. Proposal development, pricing controls, equipment usage, expediting invoices, and QuickBooks integration are probably give us a full rounded business model that we can apply RigER.